Hi, my dear friends. Back. We're in the same shirt. Actually, I created the previous video just a few minutes back. And then I'm browsing through my Instagram again. And I just saw this page. And I wanted to share it with you, my dear friends. So it says here, pardon my sitting position, right? Let's just talk like we're friends. Let's a casual conversation. I'm not like the formal teacher with tie, with like heavy doctrines. No, this is simple conversation and simple editing, recording. So it says here in Psalm 56:3, when I am afraid, I put my trust in you. So as Christians, we always say we put our trust in God, right? One more. Jeremiah 17:7, blessed is the one who trusts in the Lord, whose confidence is in him. Confidence. Oh, it's underlined. So there is this trust, there's this confidence, and what else? Proverbs 3:5-6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your paths straight. Okay, so we're talking about trust, right? Just from the page itself, trust God, grow. So when we trust God, it is not through words. It's if you realize, it's a little challenging. You know why? Well, when you talk about trust, you do not fear the outcome. You do not worry. That's what trust is all about. Okay? Have a nice day.